Now we will see orthographic projection. Question is, this figure shows pictorial view of an object. Draw orthographic projection, or draw front view looking from X, top view and left hand side view by first angle method of projection. So the view, see all three views carefully. The view which is easier than others, that view we have to draw first, or the view which contains more circle, that view we have to draw first. Means here top view contain more circle. So when you will see from top, so actually you are seeing perpendicular to top surface. So this surface is visible, this surface is visible, this surface is visible. Means this circle, half circle, this edge and this channel like this. Okay, so when you will see from top, the top surface, we are seeing perpendicular to top surface, so these are the top surface. Okay, so this figure you have to draw with a scale. Then according to first angle method of projection, this xy line, this xy, x dash y dash line, so this xy and this x dash y dash. According to first angle method of projection, front view above the reference line, so this front view above the reference line, so this front view, and top view below the reference line, so this top view below the reference line, top view below the reference line. Title is to be given within 4 mm line, so this top view, and left hand side view on the right hand side of the front view, so this left hand side view on the right hand side of the front view, left hand side view. So here we have to draw top view. So first I will draw the circle of radius 30. This radius is 30 and diameter 30. So first draw these two circle. One radius is 30, this 30 mm radius, half circle, and full circle of diameter 30 means radius 15, so this full circle. Then whenever the circle comes, you have to draw center line. Center line means one long dash, one short dash, one long dash, one short dash, one long dash, one short dash. This one long dash, one short dash, one long dash, one short dash, one long dash, one short dash. Okay, now this much distance from this center to this edge distance is 30. So take 30 from the center line to the left hand side like this. This distance is 30. Then 20 mm and 20 mm, so total 40. So I will take total 40 and 20 mm. This is the channel, this channel. Now 5 mm here, 5 mm here, and this much distance is 20. So 5 mm and this 5 millimeter, so this channel, and here 20 mm. 20 mm is 10 mm above the center line, 10 mm below the center line. So this channel will be joined like this. Okay, then this visible and this visible. So this is the top view. Now again I set the drafter with 0. So this top view with the given dimensions. Now front view. So when you will see from front, actually you are seeing perpendicular to front surface, means this surface. So front view will be this cylinder and this line. Okay, now this hole is invisible, so dotted. This channel is invisible, so it is dotted. Remember that if there is a hole will be visible from one side and invisible from other two. Means this circle is visible in top view, so definitely in front view and side view it will be invisible. So front view contain length and height, so length will be projected from front. So this front total length is this much. I will make a line over here. Now height, this 10 mm, 20 mm and 10 mm. So I have projected this portion, that is of 30. Now 10 mm, then 20 mm and then 10 mm, like this. So this 20 mm cylinder, half cylinder will be dark like this. Okay, in this cylinder, this circular hole which is invisible, so dotted, this is the center line of the hole and this is invisible circular hole, and this 10 mm portion, it will be like this. Okay, in this portion there is a channel which is invisible from front, so it will also dot it. Okay, front view. Now left hand side view. So when you will see from left hand side, object left hand side, so you are seeing perpendicular to left surface. So first you will see this portion, this edge visible and this channel invisible. So first I will draw this first portion. Side view contain width and height. So height of that portion will be projected from front and width of that portion will be projected from top. Before that you have to draw line inclined at 45 degree, this 45 degree here, so width will be projected easily. So width परत सेट केला, तो this width will be projected from top. So this width will be projected from top. Okay, this rectangle portion, width and height. Width is actually 60 and height is actually 40. So 40 will be projected from front, 60 will be projected from top. Then after that, this channel 20 mm, so that 20 mm will be projected from top, this 20 mm will be projected from top, it will be like this. Okay, now this channel will be invisible, so project that edge from top and it will be invisible like this. Dotted line proportion is 1 to 2 mm and gap 1 mm. So this dotted, okay, so this first part. Now this second part, this cylinder is behind this part, so this top surface is invisible, bottom surface is invisible and this circle is already invisible. So height of that part is 20, that will be projected from front like this. This portion is projected from front view, and in this portion there is a circular hole which is invisible, so project the hole that is invisible, project this hole that is invisible. So this is top view, front view and left hand side. Finally give the dimensions and symbol. Dimensions, there is a rule for dimension, that is I am giving the circular part with 45 degree inclined line, so this 45 degree inclined line and horizontal line, and this diameter arrow arrow, I have told you how to draw an arrow. So this diameter is 30, this radius is 30, this much distance is 30, this 30, 20, 20, so this 20, 20. Do not add and subtract the dimensions. Dimensions to be given in all three figures and it should not be repeated. Dimension line should be fed dimension line at least 8 mm away from the figure. These are the several rules. Now this 20, 20, 20 I am giving in side view instead of top view. टॉप व्यू आयोजी मैं साइड व्यू ला देता हूँ, टॉप व्यू की बजाय मैं साइड व्यू में दे रहा हूँ ये 20, 20, 20, बिकॉज साइड व्यू में भी थोड़े से माप जाना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो डायमेंशन शुड बी गिवन इन ऑल थ्री फिगर्स एंड इट शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. देन आफ्टर दैट दिस 10, this 20 and this 10, this 10, 20, this 10, 20 and 10. Okay, so after giving all dimensions you have to draw the symbol of first angle method. You know that, draw two circle. There is no dimensions, but we will take dimensions. So small circle diameter is 10, means radius 5, and bigger circle diameter is 20, means radius 10. Then there is a center line, one long dash, one short dash. This center line, one long dash, one short dash, and project this circle towards left. Leave distance, and this distance consider as a 20. So this is the symbol, this trapezium and this two circle is the symbol of first angle method. Okay, so draw this figure on your sketchbook.